In this tutorial, I will be focusing on this question: how do I set up SEO for my small business? This video includes actionable steps and some of the best strategies to get started with SEO for a small business website. So if you want to learn some effective SEO methods for a small business website to improve your online presence, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content, and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you, let's go. So to begin with, let me tell you what small business SEO is. Small business SEO is the process of optimizing your website and online presence to improve traffic from Google and other search engines. This means bringing more of the right people to your website, potential customers, clients and leads. Small business SEO is simply a subset of general SEO, but with a more targeted approach and fewer resources. And if you're a small business with a physical location, an emphasis on local search results too. I will now tell you some benefits of SEO for small business. The benefits of SEO for small businesses include the following: increased awareness. With more visibility in the SERPs, more people will see your listing and become aware of your business. Increased awareness can lead to more business over time. Increased traffic. As you optimize your online presence with SEO, you can get more traffic to your website, social media pages and Google business profile. As you get more traffic, you'll have the opportunity to turn that traffic into clients or customers. Connect with your target audience early. SEO provides the opportunity to reach your target audience early in their buyer journey. By providing quality content that addresses pain points users may be experiencing early on, you can connect with your target audience and garner trust in your brand. The next is competitive advantage. By ranking higher in search results and increasing your online visibility, you can reach more people and generate more leads and sales. This can help you compete with larger companies in your industry and strengthen your foothold in the marketplace. You're open 24/7. Your target customers don't live their lives 9 to 5. They have needs and problems and may look for solutions at all hours of the day. With an optimized online presence, your business can be an option for them whenever they need it. It's free. Unlike traditional marketing strategies that rely on upfront investment and ongoing costs, small businesses can leverage SEO for free. It only requires time and effort. If you're willing to put in the time and effort, SEO is a cost-effective marketing strategy that can reap long-term benefits for your business. Here are some easy to follow steps to help you utilize SEO for your small business. Here we go. Step number 1. Set up Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Google Analytics and Google Search Console are fundamental tools for tracking your SEO efforts and monitoring your progress. You'll need to first gain a baseline understanding of your current traffic and engagement metrics to know whether any SEO efforts are working. You'll also need to continue to monitor this data over time to understand how you're doing, track your progress, and know which changes have had positive effects on your business. Fortunately, Google provides these solutions for free, and they connect with your pre-existing website using a few lines of code. Don't worry, it's easy. Google Analytics is an analytics platform that provides in-depth data on traffic, how users engage with your website, conversions, user demographics, and much more. Google Analytics is an integral tool for tracking your progress and understanding your users. Google Search Console is a dashboard that provides data and information on how your site appears in Google Search. It will also provide data on any issues Google has with your website and allow you to submit fixes, sitemaps, and other important information. While Google Analytics is important for understanding your users and how they interact with your site, Google Search Console is key for understanding how Google views your site and how it performs in the SERPs. The first step is to set up your Google Analytics account and link it to your website. You can do this following the instructions on the Google Analytics website. Once you have your account, you need to define your goals. Goals are actions that you want your visitors to take on your website, such as signing up, buying, or downloading something. You can set up goals in the admin section of Google Analytics and assign a value to each goal. This will help you measure your return on investment, ROI, and track your conversions. Analyze your traffic sources. The second step is to analyze your traffic sources. Traffic sources are the channels that bring visitors to your website, such as organic search, social media, email, or referrals. You can find your traffic sources in the acquisition section of Google Analytics. Here you can see how each channel performs in terms of sessions, bounce rate, pages per session, and goal completions. You can also compare different channels and see which ones generate the most conversions. This will help you understand where your audience comes from and how to optimize your marketing campaigns. Optimize your content. Another step is to optimize your content. Content is the information and media that you provide on your website, such as text, images, videos, or podcasts. You can optimize your content by using your keywords in your titles, headings, meta descriptions, and body text. You can also use Google Analytics to measure your content performance in terms of page views, time on page, bounce rate, and goal completions. You can find your content data in the behavior section of Google Analytics. Here you can see which pages are the most popular, engaging, and converting. You can also identify any issues or gaps in your content and fix them accordingly. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Step number 2. Set up your Google Business Profile. A Google Business Profile is absolutely essential if you're a local business that serves customers in a specific geographical area. Such local businesses include restaurants, physical stores, law firms, doctor offices, dental offices, electricians, mechanics, and many more. Google Business Profile is a free tool that influences how your business appears on Google Search, Google Maps, and Google Shopping. It's basically a profile that you can set up on Google to help users find and learn about your business. With a Google Business Profile, you can gain search visibility and garner and respond to reviews. You can also share important business information with customers, such as your phone number, email address, and business hours. Users will see your listing when they search for terms related to your local business. Additionally, Google Business Profile accounts have access to analytics and data. The platform provides data on profile views, calls, messages, how many times people search for your business, and more. You can use this data to further optimize your profile. Step number 3. Do keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of any small business SEO strategy. You'll use it to ideate content, optimize your pages, build a site structure, and even curate your Google Business Profile listing. Keywords are words and phrases users type into Google search. Keywords are important for SEO because they tell you exactly what people are searching for and the words used to find it. You can use these keywords to optimize your website so that both Google and your potential customers know that your business can provide what they are looking for. To do keyword research, write down a list of terms that you would expect people to search for when trying to find a business like yours. Keyword research is the process of finding and analyzing search terms that people enter into search engines with the goal of using that data for a specific purpose, often for search engine optimization, SEO, or general marketing. Keyword research can uncover queries to target the popularity of these queries for their ranking difficulty and more. Keyword research helps you find which keywords are best to target and provides valuable insight into the queries that your target audience is actually searching on Google. The insight that you can get into these actual search terms can help inform content strategy as well as your larger marketing strategy. People use keywords to find solutions when conducting research online. So if your content is successful in getting in front of your audience as they conduct searches, you stand to gain more traffic. Therefore, you should be targeting those searches. In addition, in the inbound methodology, we don't create content around what we want to tell people. We should be creating content around what people want to discover. In other words, our audience is coming to us. This all starts with keyword research. Relevance. Google ranks content for relevance. This is where the concept of search intent comes in. Your content will only rank for a keyword if it meets the searcher's needs. In addition, your content must be the best resource out there for the query. After all, why would Google rank your content higher if it provides less value than other content that exists on the web? Volume. You may end up ranking on the first page for a specific keyword, but if no one ever searches for it, it will not result in traffic to your site. site, kind of like setting up a shop in a ghost town. Volume is measured by SMV, monthly search volume, which means the number of times the keyword is searched per month across all audiences. Make a list of important relevant topics based on what you know about your business. To kick off this process, think about the topics you want to rank for in terms of general buckets. You'll come up with about 5 to 10 topic buckets you think are important to your business, and then you'll use these topic buckets to help come up with some specific keywords later in the process. Fill in those topic buckets with keywords. Now that you have a few topic buckets you want to focus on, it's time to identify some keywords that fall into those buckets. These are keyword phrases you think are important to rank in the SERPs, the search engine results pages, because your target customer is probably conducting searches for those specific terms. Although more and more keywords are getting encrypted by Google every day, another smart way to come up with keyword ideas is to figure out which keywords your website is already getting found for. To do this, you'll need website analytics software like Google Analytics or a tool like HubSpot's Sources Report, available in the Traffic Analytics tool. Drill down into your website's traffic sources and sift through your organic search traffic bucket to identify the keywords people are using to arrive at your site. Research related search terms. This is a creative step you may have already thought of when doing keyword research. If not, it's a great way to fill out those lists. If you're struggling to think of more keywords people might be searching about a specific topic, take a look at the related search terms that appear when you plug in a keyword into Google. When you type in your phrase and scroll to the bottom of Google's results, you'll notice some suggestions for searches related to your original input. These keywords can spark ideas for other keywords you may want to take into consideration. Step number 4. Analyse SERP competitors. By analysing your SERP competitors, you can find additional keywords, understand the kind of content your users want to see, and gain a broader understanding of the online landscape for your business. But what are SERP competitors? Your SERP competitors are the websites you'll be competing with for visibility on the SERPs. They may or may not be your offline competitors. Regardless of which sites you find in the SERPs, you need to know what you're up against so you can tailor your approach accordingly. You can analyse these sites for how they use keywords, how they structure their sites, and what kind of content they are creating. You'll need this information when it comes time to start optimizing your own site. When analyzing SERP competitors for your target keywords, note the following. Are they ranking their homepage or a dedicated page? How are keywords used on the page? How do they structure their websites? Hint, look at their header and navigation menus. What kind of content do they have? Who do they seem to be targeting? For example, children, families, business people, or something else. You can take your SERP competitor analysis a step further with SEMrush's organic research tool. Simply enter the URL of one of your competitors and click search. In the organic research dashboard, you can see how many keywords they rank for, how much monthly traffic they get from Google, and their top SEO keywords. If you click on the positions tab, you can see all the keywords your competitors rank for. Many of these keywords are ones you should also target. SERP competitor analysis is a crucial step in optimizing your own website. Step number 5. Review your site structure. Site structure is the way your pages and content are grouped together. It determines how easily search engines and users can navigate your website. This includes your header and footer menus, as well as your URL structure and how you link to pages within your site. With a bad site structure, your pages may not rank well, and your users will never find them. This is bad for SEO and bad for business. A good site structure enables users and search engines to easily navigate your website and reach every page in 4 clicks or fewer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and check it out. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.